Hello everyone, this is how to access Collaborate Ultra from Canvas. Collaborate Ultra is available in every Canvas course, but it's not going to show up in these navigation settings by default. It's your job to pick and choose which things you want to show up in this navigation pane. To enable it, you go to Settings. There are 5 tabs in Settings. You want to go to Navigation. This is everything that you already have enabled in navigation. This is all the different tools you could potentially enable, but you don't have enabled yet. So you want to find Collaborate Ultra, which might be in different places for different people. Click Enable so that it shows up among the things that have been enabled. And do not forget to scroll all the way back down and click Save. Now it shows up in the navigation pane on the left. Once you do this as the instructor, the students do not have to do this, but you do have to do this for every single course that you have in Canvas that you want to enable Collaborate Ultra for.